Alright, here we go. So, doing the daily problem, search, insert, position. Given a sorted array and a target value, return the index if the target is found. If not, return the index where it would be if it were sorted in order. You may assume no duplicates in the array. So how would I solve this? Well, take this example here, and then take a brush. So we'll say set my low equal to this, and high equal to this, and then the middle will be equal to this. Now, if the target is, let's say, 5, I guess, well, we're going to return right away. So we'll have a condition that if nums m is just the red one, is equal to t, just return that index value m, okay, because that's the value to return. So then that says you can do that, but you can also do erase this a little bit, and erase this one a little bit, and then erase this one maybe a little bit here. Wait, why did I erase that one? No idea. Okay, so anyways, so let's do another example, I guess. So start my high and low, and my middle, and change the target. Oops. Okay, whatever. Change the target. Oh, I didn't change the color. Oh, let me change it. Ooh, okay. Okay, here. Alright, so change the target to. What do I want? Maybe 2. So what's going to happen if we have 2? So I would say the nums at m is less than t. So I would say, okay, maybe set low. No, wait, low? Yeah, no, high, wait, low or high? Oh no, we'll have an else statement. So this is if it's less than t. This would be if it's greater than t. So if it's greater than t, I think you want to move the high to low minus 1. I don't know. So, well, no, not low minus 1, but m minus 1. And then otherwise, so that means that if you move the high here, which is brown, wait, no, it's gray. If you move it to 1 minus this, it'd be at 3. Whoops. It'd be at 3, and the middle would be at, I think 1? Oops. I keep forgetting to get my brush, but yeah, I think it'd be at 1 here. So, okay. In this case, what do we return? Because, oh, wait a second. So wait, low is, did I do this right? So originally I was at 5. Okay, yeah, I did it right. So high is equal to this value, and low is equal to 1, and the mid is probably equal to 1. So in this case, it would satisfy the condition that nums is less than, so we move the low. And let's say we move the low, oops, I have to probably erase it first. So let's say you move the low to here, so it's equal to 3. So I'm basically doing m plus 1, and then, these values are equal. Oops. But the thing is that also the middle value will be set equal to 3. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. But this is all supposed to be pointing to 3. It's all supposed to be pointing to 3. I don't know if it looks like it is or not. So then with this, you can, oops, you can do this maybe. So okay, yeah, what did I do? So like this and like this. Alright, so yeah, so it's pointing to the value 3, which is going to consider the else statement, so we'll move the high to, oh my god, I totally messed it up, but high will move to the 1, right? So now high is equal to 0 index, low is equal to 1, and since low is now greater than high, so basically I'm using a condition where high has to be less than or equal to low. But now that this is true, you just want to return, but what do you want to return? You want to return, definitely not high, you want to return low in this case. So it looks like you want to return low. Return low. For sure. Okay, another maybe thing to do would be, oh boy, it's going to be hard to, 1, 3, 5, 6, 8. I don't know, what if target equals to 9? What would happen? So we'll have our low, our high, and our medium. So it's going to be like, hey, this is less than, so let's move the low to here, and the medium will move here. Get rid of this. And it'll be like, well, this is less, so I'll move the low to here, and the medium to here. And it's like, this is less, so I'll move the low to here. And, wait, what? It'll move the low to here, right? Which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is right. So, like, you want to return 5. Okay, what's another case? What if target is, did I do 0 yet? Yeah, what if target is 0? So these are like the two edge cases. What if it's less than every element in the array? What if it's greater than every element in the array? And when I, what am I saying? What am I saying? I'm saying, what if the target is? What if the target is less than every element in the array, or if the target is greater than every element in the array? So if it's less than, I guess the binary search will be here and here, and medium will be here, and I will want to move this one to here, and the medium will move to here, and then it will be like, okay, well, this is still less, so move this to here, and yeah, we want to return low. Okay, so either we'll hit the value and it'll be equal to the value, and you just return middle, which actually I need to consider that case as well. So I've considered the case, basically the edge cases of an element that's the target that's smaller than every element in the array, the target that's greater than every element in the array, and I've considered the case where the target is an element not in the array, but it's in, it's in the range of the lowest and the highest element in the array. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to say this. And then the target's equal to, did I do target equal to 5? I think I did. So that's would be if it's equal to. I could also do like, what is the target equal to 3? So I mean, you have low, high, and then the middle is 5, but it's like, okay, well, the middle is, so it'll move the high to here, the medium will be moved here, then it'll move the low here, and it'll move the medium here. Okay, yeah, so it would work. So let's code it and test it real quick. So n equals length of nums, low, high equals 0, n minus 1, while low is less than or equal to high. That's what it looks like. If nums, oops, I have to first calculate m will be equal to low plus high divided by 2. If nums m is equal to target, return m. If nums m is less than target, well, it doesn't matter if it's equal, right? Yeah. Then you want to do, I just forgot what I did. Oh, I moved the low. Yeah, okay, so I moved the low equals m plus 1. Else, we move the high equals m minus 1. And you always want to turn low. Okay, awesome.